The day of the storm, it's really calm that morning. We were talking about the things that we loved about living here. And we had no idea that within a few hours, it would all be gone. The lightning, the thunder, glass breaking, it was horrible.
The storm started in far west Kentucky and tracked all the way across the state. Of course, when it hit the Somerset area, that tornado got on the ground for about 50-some miles and just hit the city of Somerset, and then went into the city of London, and just a lot of loss of life there. Just total destruction in those areas to where it was.
The roof was gone and the rain was falling down, and I was thinking, we're trapped in here. It's going to fall on us. And then right at the right time, we saw the blue flashing lights and they got us out. I had no idea how bad it was. When I came back the next day, I realized how blessed and fortunate we were. And we're so sorry for other people that didn't make it, their families. We're so sorry.
So our community has lost, obviously a lot of property and several lives as well. As a Farm Bureau adjuster, we can help rebuild at least one part of their lives, which is their home. We want to come out and take the stress away from them on that part of things, their homes, their cars. We can't take away the loss of life, but at least we can maybe, help them rebuild a couple other major parts of their lives.
Luke and Seth came out that Sunday, met with us. Just that conversation with them was such a relief. Told us we didn't have nothing to worry about. You're gonna get everything you was insured for.
And I told him, I said, you're bringing hope to us. We can get through this. We can get through this. We cannot say enough about Kentucky Farm Bureau.
They were the first ones we got to Sunday morning. They're the Deatons. They are honestly one of the main reasons I've made it through the rest of the week. They were just awesome from the jump. Talked to them about their house and went over the insurance process with them. And then once we were kind of done with them and we were getting ready to leave, we held hands with them and we said a prayer. And it was another adjuster that said the prayer. And then once he was done, she just continued praying for me and the other adjuster. I think I've thought of that pretty much every single day. Almost every claim that we've went to since is just, I'm here for these people, I'm here to help them. I'm sure I would have worked just as hard, but it's nice to have that in the back of your head that these people who lost their home care about you too, that much, to pray for you and wish safety upon you. So
I can't say enough about the organization that Kentucky Farm Bureau is, that we make a promise to those members all across the state that we're going to take care of them in a time of devastation. And that's where we are today. We're dealing with that in that area of London and Somerset, and we're going to be there for those members. We'll be there till every claim is settled, and the commitment is there on our part as an organization.